We are learning to use interesting words in our writing. Today you're going to be writing about the discharge from the Waikato River. Here are some interesting words that I heard after listening to the article about the Waikato River. The first word I'm going to write is pollution. The next word I'm going to write is resident. That's a person who lives in an area. Now I'm going to write foamy discharge. That's how they described the stuff that was in the river. Foamy discharge. Another word that I'm going to write is samples. They collected bits of water so that they could test them. These are called samples. I'm also going to write unidentified. That means they didn't know what the stuff was. That's an interesting word to use in your writing. Now I'm going to write inquiries. That means that they were asking about what people knew about it. They made some inquiries. I'm also going to write pipe. Talked about how it was coming out of a pipe. And the last interesting word that I'm going to write and include in my writing is waterway. A waterway is like the river, the area of water. These are some great words that you could use in your writing today about the Waikato River pollution.